This is a walkthrough session on the updated Taxpromax value-added tax filing module. To initiate the filing and payment of your VAT on the system, you click on Login, you enter your login details, click on Login, and on your home page, you can see Taxes Due. This is where all returns that are due for declaration and filing, the e-forms are dropped through. Click on Taxes Due. You see the respective tax returns that are due for filing and payment. For this particular session, we'll be focusing on filing and payment of VAT. For this one, we'll file for the period of 21st of March 2023. You click on Process. Once you click on Process, click on the sales schedule. On the sales schedule, you are expected to download the sample template by clicking on Download Sample Template, and upon downloading, you are expected to populate the schedule with the details, line by line details of all your transactions for the months of returns. All the details of the customers that bought goods or services from you are expected to be populated in this schedule, providing their name, their TIN, the item cost, which is going to be net of VAT, item description, VAT status. VAT status helps the system to know the classification of this particular transaction. Either 0 means VATable, 1 means 0 rated, 2 means VAT exempt. All of these line by line transactions are to be classified through the VAT status code, and any item that is not classified at all, the system will automatically add it to VATable transaction as out of range item. In providing information that is the line by line details of all your VATable transactions within the month, you are expected to pay attention to the taxpayer identification number of all your customers, because it is based on this sales schedule that the customers that bought goods from you will be able to also get their purchases schedule. As you declare your sales and pay using their TIN, they will automatically get information and the details of their purchases from you, including the VAT that they paid to you. And upon receiving those purchases, they will be able to claim impute where they are entitled to impute, in line with the provisions of Section 17 of the Value Added Tax Act. So, if a customer does not have taxpayer identification number, or in a particular transaction, or you don't know the taxpayer's TIN, you are expected to enter 0 under the beneficiary TIN. This will enable you to update the schedule at any point in time that the beneficiary finally supplies the TIN for you. If you fail to do so, the beneficiary will not be able to actually claim his impute, even if he's entitled to impute VAT claim in any month of return. So, upon updating of the sales schedule, you are expected to upload the schedule on the system. You click on Search File, and once you click on Search File, you select the schedule and you click on Upload. As you click on Upload, the sales schedule will be updated with the details of all the beneficiaries as you entered in your sales template, which has been uploaded. Each upload per template, the system can accept 1,000 line entries per upload in any template. So, if you are a high volume taxpayer or high transaction volume taxpayer, you are expected to process all your sales schedule, that is line by line sales schedule, in batches of 1,000, and in batches of 1,000, and upload them batch by batch until the whole of the batch for that month is fully uploaded with the details of the taxpayers. And once you're done with your upload, If there is any mistake in the upload which you have identified, you can click on any of them, click on remove to remove any line item that there is mistake in the figure or in the information, or peradventure the data is duplicated. You remove the duplicates by clicking on remove. However, if you wish to restart afresh because of the irredeemable nature of the mistake, you are expected to simply come to reset sales entry, click on reset. The system will wipe off everything that you have done initially, and this will give you room to re-upload the updated sales template schedule, which you would have effected every correction that you would have corrected every mistake that you would have noticed in the initial filing. To re-upload the schedule, you follow the same procedure. Once you click on choose file, you select the file, you click upload. Once you're satisfied with your schedule, you're expected to select the currency. After selecting the currency, you click on proceed. At this point, it will take you to the next schedule, which is the purchases schedule. The purchases schedule on the updated VAT form now is automatically updated from the sales declaration of all your customers whom you bought goods from. There is a section particularly on how to claim your inputs from the purchases schedule. For now, we'll focus on sales declaration only, and in the subsequent sessions, we'll see how this particular schedule is populated by the system automatically. You click on proceed, it takes you to sales adjustment. Sales adjustment also enables you to update the sales record of previous months. This also will handle it in a separate session, whereby you see how to carry out sales adjustment as they occur in your respective monthly VAT filing. You click on proceed for the system to take you to the VAT form. At the VAT form, you can see that the system has already updated the VAT form with all the summary of the template that you have uploaded. You could see that the total VATable sales for the month is 4,285 as populated on the system. You can see zero rated, exempted, and the total output VAT, which is 311.63. When you scroll down, you see that the system had automatically updated every information on the system. There is key things that we need to note here. Having been told that your purchases is updated automatic on the system, at this point you could see here purchases is closed. This will be populated based on the declaration from taxpayers whom you purchase goods from and what they have remitted in your favor. And once you're done with this, you declare the returns, you OK, you submit. Upon submission, you have two options. You are expected to pay. For this particular exercise, I'll pay this amount so they can enable the respective beneficiaries to be able to pay. I'll click on pay online. Pay online and paying online will take me to Remitter Payment Gateway, where I can use the Remitter platform to pay. To see, it has brought me here. I'll click on submit. I'll click on submit, and I'm paying using my phone number because they have this option for payment. Want to pay? So I have paid for this particular filing. You can see it says process was successful. Your payment was received. Please press the button for Taxpromax to process your acknowledgement receipt. So I've successfully filed and paid, and that's the end of filing on the updated Taxpromax VAT module.